Hey, hi, how are you? Hello, This is me, Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned for more content. In this vlog, I am going to share my vaccination experience with you guys. But before that, a few words from my end. We all know the second wave is gradually reducing and we are being unlocked. And restrictions are slowly getting relaxed. So we may get hit with third wave anytime, we may or may not. But before that, let's be prepared and do our part. Do our part means it's nothing, we have to get vaccinated. I was also trying from a long time to get vaccinated, but because of the unavailability of slots, I was waiting till now. I got my opportunity to get vaccinated. One thing, even though we say stay at home, stay safe, someday, one day or other day, we definitely need to go out and do get something, maybe for emergencies or any need. So whenever we step out and come back, maybe that day or next day, even if we get a mild headache or we feel some body wounds, literally we get shivers in the spine. We don't know whether we are affected or not. Uh, that is very difficult and it takes a mental stress. We feel bad or go low. Because mental strength is something which is very important for a human to beat anything. If we are strong mentally, we can come out of anything and we can beat any health condition. So coming to the vaccination part, I say something is better than nothing. Let's get vaccinated than be not vaccinated. I know there are many misconceptions going around saying even if we get vaccinated, we may get affected. We may get affected, but there are very less chances that we are affected with COVID again, even if vaccination is complete. In case, even if we get affected, it will be very mild, like if we are not into a critical situation like ICU or ventilator or need of oxygen. And also body pains, headache, fever. Didn't we ever get fever, body pains or headache in our entire life? So just think this time we are getting for something good. Be positive and get vaccinated. That is what I want to say from my end. Because if you are vaccinated, at least we can slow the spread and we can be at least at some peace. By the time you watch this video, around 30 to 32 crores of vaccinations will be done. Maybe around 25 crores of first dose and 5 to 7 crores of second dose. So that means only 7 crores are fully vaccinated. So let's do our part, search for vaccination around. I'll show you a small video to search for vaccination around. So keep searching, even if you don't find slots around your pin code, just keep searching with your district and maybe when you find somewhere, go get vaccinated. For registration and slot availability, just search for Cowin on Google and open the website cowin.gov.in. In the home page, if you scroll down, you can see check your nearest vaccination centers. There, enter your pin code. Here I have entered my area pin code 560064. Here if I scroll down, I can see all the slots available. So if you want to see for 18 plus, you can give filter for 45 plus for Covishield vaccine, Covaxin, Sputnik, free or paid. So you can use all filters here. You can see here there are availability of slots for 18 plus in one of the hospitals. There it is saying paid. Now I'll show you to search with district. So we have to select state and district, then so in district it will show everywhere wherever the vaccine slots are available and not available. See here, you can see in one place they are available, Kalahastri, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. So here dose 1 and dose 2 it is showing. Dose 1 it is showing 0 and dose 2 it is showing 52. So no dose 1 vaccines. And for registration, you can scroll on to the top and register yourself, give your mobile number and it will send you OTP. If you enter OTP, then it is very simple. You just need to add Aadhaar card details, then you are registered. You will get a reference number. We need it while getting vaccinated. It's never too late to get vaccinated. Although it's been 3 months, the vaccination drive started, 3-4 months to be precise, we are not yet vaccinated. So it's not too late. Let's go get vaccinated now. I know there is unavailability of slots around. So as you saw in the clip, please keep searching for vaccine availability near you and just go get vaccinated. I got my slot from my company, so Infosys is conducting a free vaccination drive. So I should thank Infosys for being with employees in this unprecedented times. Every corporate is providing vaccination drives. So if you're working in corporate, please do inquire, watch for the emails for vaccination availability and go get vaccinated at the earliest. We have 3 vaccines available right now. India's Bharat Biotech Covaxin, Serum Institute, Covishield and Russia's Sputnik. I'm not suggesting to get vaccinated with anything because everything is fine and they're medically tested. So whatever you get and whatever is available near you, please get vaccinated with it. I am going to get vaccinated with Covax. It is just 0.5 ml of vaccine liquid which will be injected into your shoulder. It's your choice. You can get injected it on right shoulder or left shoulder, but I suggest to get vaccinated on the left shoulder because you may have some shoulder pain and it will be difficult to lift the shoulder. So before going for vaccination, please make sure that have good food and you're strong enough physically so that even if it feels drowsy after the vaccination, you doesn't fall immediately sick there or go unconscious. So I'm going for vaccination now. I'll show you how hard it is, how much difficulty I'm facing to get vaccinated because it's not near to my home or next to my home. I'm getting vaccinated. Like you can see, I'm stepping out with double mask. Even if you're going for getting vaccination or even if you're going out for some more time, just let's wear double masking and be safe. I just traveled 3 kilometers or 4 kilometers I think from home. Sorry, it's 5 kilometers and you can see the traffic over here in Bangalore. Today is 18th and it's been a week. Lockdown is lifted, but still people are not afraid and the traffic is heavy right now. So right now we are around Keyapuram. It's been almost 20-30 minutes. I started from home. We have to travel for around 45 minutes, 60 minutes more to reach the vaccination spot. I'll keep you updated. It's been an hour. I started from my home and it's almost 36 kilometers and I am stuck on Electronic City flyover. I think some roadworks are going on here. So I'm traveling from Hebbal to Electronic City for getting the vaccination, so you can understand how painful it is to cross Keyapuram, Marthali Bridge, Silk Board, everything. But still I'm coming here because I want to get vaccinated and I don't want to neglect getting. So I have reached my office and in the next 20 minutes I'm going to get vaccinated. I'm a bit excited, let's see. So I'm right now in the parking lot. I'll go upstairs and see how many people are waiting. Long walk. 0.5 minutes?
Sorry?
0.5 minutes?
Yes, yes. After your papa and mama, I will give you. For you. Your number is coming there, right? Take your hand from there. You want to tell something? Painful?
No.
Wait outside for 20 minutes. Don't massage there. If you get fever, take tablet over.
I went touch it also for the next 20 minutes. Even if it is bit irritating or something.
Don't do anything. You just leave it there. 2-3 days pain will be there. That's okay.
Thank you. I am vaccinated and they asked me to wait for 20 minutes here, so I'm waiting. I'll see after 20 minutes what will happen. Oh, almost 20 minutes is over. We're about to leave. So it's been almost 40 minutes I have been vaccinated. I am starting back home. Once I go back home, I'll let you know because it will take another 1.5 hours. So it will be 2 hours by the time I reach home. I am vaccinated. So let's see how I feel. Right now I'm not feeling anything. It's been close to 45 minutes. I'm not even feeling a single pinch of discomfort or anything. I traveled 85 kilometers up and down for getting vaccinated. You can see in the auto. So I just reached home and it's been almost 2.5 hours. Right now I'm not feeling anything, no discomfort, no shoulder pain, no headache, nothing. I'll update around 8 p.m. again and see, because I got vaccinated at 12:20 something. So by 8:30 I'll shoot another video, small clip to show how I'm feeling that time. The time is around 8:40, you can say in the words 8:40. So it's been more than 8 hours I got vaccinated. I'm not feeling any fever sensation or hand pain or shoulder pain like everyone said, and also there is no headache. I'm perfectly fine and all right. But my wife, she had severe headache, severe hand pain, and she got tickling sensation in the hand, and also she had fever symptoms. But post having dinner, she is fine. There is no fever sensation, but still she has this hand pain and headache. So it's like different people react different to medicines. Even in regular times, fever or any disease, I don't call disease, some discomfort in the health. Some people get cured fast and some people take time. For some people, cold may reduce within 1 to 2 days. For some people, it takes a week. So it's different for different persons. So I'm just speaking about our personal experiences here. It may differ for you once you get vaccinated. But there is nothing serious or there is no such thing like people are afraid. We can get vaccinated. The experience till now, I think it's better if we have some good food after getting vaccinated, because it will reduce some sickness. But don't have non-veg, it is not recommended for 2-3 days. Once I wake up in the morning, I'll record another short clip and add to this so that you know how I feel after sleeping and waking up. Good morning. I had some sleep in the night and woke up just now. The time is around 6:30 am. I had no pain while sleeping, even drowsiness was not there, so I was struggling to sleep and I slept around 1:30 am. And I have some hand pain now, maybe because of the sleeping position or something, because I sleep to the left. But the pain is manageable. I can lift my hand, and it's bearable. And my wife, her headache, fever, body pains are not there, but even she has a hand pain. So maybe after you sleep and wake up, you may experience some pain. I'll add one last update after having lunch, because it will be 1 day post vaccination. Then we'll see. Hey, hi. Yeah, so it's the last update from this COVID experience vlog. The time is like, you can see 1:30. 1:30. It's been more than 24 hours I got vaccinated. I didn't get any pain. If you're wondering where I am, I came to my native. I'm not in Bangalore right now. So I got vaccinated yesterday. I slept and I woke up in the morning. I just added a clip before this, and then I started to Tirupati and I came here. So I drove for 250 kilometers. I didn't come in bus or something. I just drove my own car and came here. So you can see I'm absolutely fine. There is no pain in my hand, or I'm okay. Even my wife is okay now. Her hand pain has reduced completely. So it's safe to get vaccinated. Please go get vaccinated. In the morning, I forgot to mention one thing. My wife had Dolo in the night at around 10 o'clock. After that, she felt fine. So if you're feeling feverish or headache and body pains, you can maybe take Dolo after vaccination. And one more thing people are asking me was, what is Infosys vaccination drive? So Infosys vaccination drive is for employee and 3 dependents. Say it can be wife, mother, father, siblings, mother-in-law or father-in-law. And they are collaborated with Manipal hospitals, and Manipal nurses and Manipal doctors are there in Infosys campus, and they are vaccinating people. Tirupati vlog will be next after this. So please wait for it. I'll upload it maybe in 1 or 2 days, because I need to edit it. I hope this vlog is useful for some people and you can get educated on getting vaccinated. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Keep supporting. This is me, your Rupesh, signing off. Bye. Take care.